Maron, nag-blow yung candle mo, make a wish first mula sa mind mo. Okay. Okay, meron ka na wish. Okay, blow your candle on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan. Meron na? Okay, everybody can say, official time, say happy birthday, Maron! Thank you. And this time, Mami, ano yung birthday wish mo kay Maron?
Wish ko, syempre, good health, makapagtapos siya ng studies, be a good boy.
Yes, thank you. And syempre, ang wish ng McDonald's for Maron, syempre yan. Yung syempre lumaki, strong, healthy, maging successful sa life, and pagmahal, and syempre, madasalin, and yun lang, kids. So, sit down na tayo, kids. Mag-clear chair now. Okay, this time everybody please go back to your proper places now. And this time we're going to serve